How's it going, guys? We're out here in beautiful Hillsboro, Oregon on a bright sunny day at one of the properties we're going to be doing an installation at in a few weeks. When I get asked about our products, I often am asked, why do people replace their windows in the first place? And today, we're going to go over a few of the reasons why this homeowner decided to go with Renewal. All right, guys, we're at the exterior of the home and we're going to be looking at the first window. This happens to be a vinyl plastic sliding window. All the products in this house are made of vinyl. As you can see, immediately, discoloration is happening here. That's from the setting sun that's currently hitting us right now. The second thing it's doing is expanding the vinyl. And when vinyl expands, it allows water to get inside. The last thing I can say is how much physical heat I'm actually feeling off of this window right now from that sun hitting it. Once we get our Renewal by Andersen glider window in here, you're gonna be able to stand next to this window and basically feel like you're in your own bubble. Now we're at the back of the house and we're going to be looking at the patio door that we're going to be replacing for these guys. First off, I can immediately see some wood rot happening at the bottom section of this door. That means that the weatherization is starting to fail or has already completely failed. The hardware is really rickety and loose. And once the hardware becomes loose like this, it's actually pretty hard to get in there and tighten up whatever's happening. The last thing I noticed on this door is how hard it is to open. Now, I'm no bodybuilder, but the further this door gets open, the harder it actually is to open. Once we get our new Andersen patio door on here, this homeowner is going to be able to open and close this door with ease. All right, we're going to be checking out this double hung window behind me in the nursery upstairs. Now, this window has a bunch of interesting characteristics of a vinyl window, and the first is how easy it is to flex and bend the material. By just applying a small amount of pressure here, I'm not only warping the top sill, but also the security plate attached here. That's going to reduce your energy efficiency and definitely reduce the security of your windows. The second, just like the patio downstairs, but even worse, is how hard this one is to open. This is like a full gym workout just to get this window completely up. We'll be back in a few weeks to see how the Renewal by Andersen transformation looks. And we're back, guys, in Hillsboro, Oregon. Some time has passed. We did a bunch of windows and a patio door for this homeowner. We're gonna go over some of the reasons why they went with Renewal by Andersen and some of the benefits to our products. All right, guys, we're outside on the side of the house looking at this glider window from the outside. Now, as you can see right off the bat, an issue we had with the previous product was a lot of discoloration happening around here. And as you can see, nothing anymore. And in fact, these windows are warranted to never have that discoloration come back. Another thing I'm noticing is how little heat I'm actually feeling on my body. I'm still as cool as the rest of the house is. We can actually open up both the panes to create a really nice cross breeze without letting any insects in this home. On this installation, we had a fair amount of rot happening on the bottom side of their patio door. We went ahead and replaced that plywood, got a new piece of cedar on here, and as you can tell, it seamlessly blends with the rest of the home. The old one, if you remember, was kind of falling off and really hard to replace that. This one is so sturdy, it's not going anywhere. And because of that, with one finger, I'm able to open this door all the way and close it with ease. Now we're upstairs in one of the kids' rooms looking at a double hung window we replaced for this customer. One of the benefits you can see right off the bat, we have another full-length screen, which you can barely see at all. And the benefit of that, of course, is the fact that on our double hung windows, you can make both your panes operable and create an amazing cross breeze anywhere in your house that you need one. You can also do these panes with basically 1 or 2 fingers. Now, one of my favorite features on our double hungs, especially on a second or third story, is the ability to tilt out your pane. It's extremely easy just by pushing on our locking mechanism. You can now clean the interior and exterior of your window from inside your home. No more getting ladders, going on roofs, or hiring expensive contractors to come clean your windows. It's as easy as putting it right back, and now you have a clean window. Well, there you guys go. Some of the reasons why this homeowner ultimately went with Renewal by Andersen. Next time you're in the market for windows and doors, find out how we can give you superior products and exceptional service.